Are you black?
Part, yeah.
I love all parts of you, even the black part. What other part of you?
I'm Jamaican, black and white. Yeah.
She's just making me horny. Take my shirt off. I ain't been this ripped in a long time. I'm taking. He just said,
I just
This interview is over.
no. I was just trying to reaffirm.
What's your wife's name? Frank?
MacBook Airs have 13 inch. He's getting a MacBook for his porn addiction.
That's not true. Eric, don't believe shit. What? I know what I'm talking about.
But it's my body though.
Nigga, that's half of my motherfucking body. I made that shit.
But you're not in it right now. Pause. Pause.
And like now you got Conor McGregor going out there saying, doing all this stuff, talking about money, all this stuff. I was doing all this stuff, and then I was told like, oh, you gotta stay away from this, you gotta stay away from that, stop humping reporters and all this stuff. And I'm like, now I look back, I'm like, man, I was the first Conor McGregor. I was Conor McNigger. like, Conor McNigger. Call me Conor McNigger. And
That's so ridiculous.
it's ridiculous.